I hope you like this little song. You can sing it for your class. Just C, F, G7, back to C, easy, easy. I wanted to share some things that I am really grateful for that have helped me get to this place in my life. First thing that I am really grateful for is my family. Each and every one of the members of my family and my friends, my extended family, has been so supportive of my creative journey in making music and making materials to put in the Sing Play Create store. And I'm really grateful, and I want to say thank you to them. The other thing that I'm really grateful for is having the opportunity to share that creativity and having the platforms like YouTube and TPT and my website to put these things out so that people can find them and use them in their classrooms. And the third thing I'm thankful for is I'm truly, truly thankful for you. Without you, none of this would be possible. If you like videos on music and movement education, I hope that you will click on the red subscribe button and that you'll follow the Sing Play Create YouTube channel. Happy New Year to you! Sing